We'll guide you through how to find and check the Windows version on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to know, as perhaps you want to go and see if your computer is going to go and meet the requirements for an app or game or another reason, or there may be another reason why you want to do this. It doesn't matter why, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure this full guide, and at the end, you'll hopefully know your Windows version and build and a bit more info like that. So to get started with this, you need to come to the middle at the bottom of your computer and go and find the Windows Start button, which you can then click on. In here, you should go and find Settings in Pinned. If you can't, you can always go and search for it at the top. Then you can click on Settings and they'll go and open up. Here we are. So there's quite a lot to go and know about in here, but to go and find the Windows version, you can go over to the left and find the option for System. If you can't see this here, you can always go and search for it. And then in here, you want to go and scroll down to the bottom, and they should go and see About. And in here, we can go and find the Windows specifications. So you can click here. Once again, if you're struggling to go and find About, you can always go and search for it in the Find a Setting box. Now you can go and scroll down here, and you scroll all the way down and find Windows specifications. Click on it to go and expand it. So you can go and see here that my edition is Windows 11 Home. My version is 23H2. You can see what was installed, and you can then go and see the build we're using as well, and also the experience. And you can go and copy that if needed as well. So that's it. That is how you can go and find what version of Windows you're running. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. We post useful guides like this every single day, so I'm sure you'll find something else of ours helpful as well. I look forward to help you again in the next how-to. Consider subscribing and liking the video, and if you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below in a comment. I look forward to catching you again in the future.